In science, we read for context and understanding. Reading can be the starting point to teaching a new concept, for example, by sharing a phenomenon that makes students curious and generates questions. Or reading could highlight a problem that needs solving. Sometimes reading adds depth and breadth to a concept and allows students to see the wider applications, links to other subjects, or real-life uses of scientific ideas. Reading in science needs to introduce and embed key Tier 3 vocabulary and should look to broaden children's literacy through exposure to linked Tier 2 vocabulary.
We needed to make it clearer exactly what it means to read and write like a scientist. To become a competent scientist, we need our students to be able to read for understanding. This could involve extracting information, identifying evidence, or clarifying ideas. Just as importantly though, we want students to be able to write scientifically, which we model and teach with clarity, logic, brevity, and accuracy.
We considered the literacy intent of our curriculum. What skills did we want our students to master by the end of Science GCSE, and how to develop them over the 5 years they have with us, 12 if you count primary. In writing, we have considered the different writing genres in science. For example, we know writing a comparison requires a different approach to writing and evaluation.
Too many previous whole school literacy strategies have been led by and biased towards English priorities. This time, we have adapted the whole school literacy approach to suit our subject. We were given permission to ignore parts that were irrelevant and adapt the parts that suited our subject. By approaching literacy completely from a science perspective, we immediately ensured much greater buy-in as the science teachers could see the relevance and the difference it would make to our subject.